Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Formula-based rules. This is what professionals do. I don't know about professionals, but I've been playing around with conditional formatting probably for 20 plus years. And here's just a quick overview. This range here has conditional formats in them. And I'll show you what I did. Conditional formatting, manage rules. Here are 3 rules I inserted. The first formula I wanted was any age over 60, green. Any age under 60, orange. Then any age under 30, blue. And we don't have anything in blue, and I'll explain why. Here we go. I'm going to delete all the rules, and you can delete one at a time, or you can delete all of them. We'll hit OK. I'll show you what I did. We go to conditional formatting, go to new rule, go to use a formula to determine which cell to format. What you're going to do is you're going to enter your format here and edit the rule description. You can do anything you want here. Whether it's accepted, fool around with it. Hit equal sign, hit equal, go to E4. Because we have this absolute reference, I explained earlier how to blow up your attempt to set up this conditional formatting. So hit F4, 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 unhighlight E4, go enter greater than, hit an equal sign, hit 60, hit format, hit green, hit OK, and that conditional format is in place. Now, if you want to put in a second format, you're going to repeat the same steps. Go to conditional formatting, add new rule, hit use formula to determine which cell to format, go to the format values where the formula is true, go to E4, highlight that information, hit F4 again, F4, F4, that takes away the absolute value. Now it's in a relative value. We want the color every age less than 60. So we enter less than, equal, 59, change the color. Let's go blue. Okay, and it hits everything blue. Let's see if we can go one step further at a third formula. Let's see if we can change the color of any person under 30. Now I'm going to do something a little different here. I don't know if this will work. Go conditional formatting, new rule, new formula. Let's just highlight this cell. Make sure we get rid of this absolute value. F4, F4, F4. And we want to go enter less than, equal, 30. Put this as a color orange. Okay. That particular formula worked, but notice it didn't fill down the range. Well, let's go back, conditional formatting, manage rules, and you could see here, applies to formula E11 equals 30. Well, that's wrong. So we need to go in and we need to edit this. So we hit edit. This is supposed to be less than, equal to 30. It's still highlighted, it's still showing 30, but then it's only showing what range does it apply to. Go in here, applies to, and let's just highlight everything here. This has to stay in absolute terms. The relative is fine. Let's see what happens. Hit OK. And you could see we entered 3 different formats, but just be careful when you're entering your formulas that we're in relative, not absolute. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.